In this episode of Art Talks with Artyshils, we are going to talk about 3 qualities of successful artists. So no matter what level of art you are on, if you want to be successful as an artist, then do stick around as I am really excited to share these 3 qualities that I'm sure will help you out as well. So with that being said, let's get started. Hey everyone, my name is Shilpa Lalit. I'm an artist, art educator and an entrepreneur along with being a mom to 2 little kids. To know more about me, my work, the online painting workshops that I take along with the brushes that I am using, you can visit my website www.artyshils.com. Now before I share with you 3 amazing qualities of successful artists, let me share with you a little bit about the painting that we are creating today. Today we are creating this absolutely adorable moment between this beautiful girl and between this cute little squirrel right here. Today there's no depth or any kind of deeper meaning that I'm trying to capture through this painting. It's just that little moment that I wanted to capture, and that is what we are doing over here in this painting. I absolutely love animals, big, small, no matter what, and they appear really a lot in my paintings. And I love capturing those emotions that I really feel for the animals. No matter that's a cute little squirrel, a cute little bird, or big animals like cows and horses, I feel the love and affection equally for them, and that kind of love that in my heart I feel, I have tried to capture that in this painting, through this painting. And I would love to know in the comment section below if you like this painting or what you thought about this little moment that I tried to capture over here. Now with that being said, it's time to get started with sharing with you the 3 qualities of successful artists. And if you want to be successful, I'm sure that these will help you out as well. So the number 1 thing is that successful artists are always eager to learn. It is very important to never ever stop learning, to be able to grow. And to be successful, growth is very important. You cannot be successful just doing one same thing again and again forever. And when I say successful, I don't just mean the success that the money brings, or success that the flashy things in life shows, right? I also mean that feeling of success that you get with your growth when you've really worked hard on something, and when you accomplish that something, when something really cool happens that you've given your heart and soul to. That is also the kind of success that I am talking about. So if you too want to be successful, feel that success from your heart, feel satisfied with that success from your heart, never ever stop learning or focus a lot on learning, because only learning can lead to growth, and that growth can lead to success, right? Now the second thing is that successful artists regularly push themselves. They are consistent and they show up no matter what. Some days are good, some days are bad, some days you feel like it, some days you just don't feel like showing up. But that is the time that you need to show up. When you push yourself for that practice session that you need to do to improve as an artist, when you push yourself to give yourself that 1 hour to work on something that will help you grow as an artist, when you push yourself to just show up and learn new things that will help you achieve your goals and as an artist, and consistently keep doing the things that you need to do to grow as an artist, then there'll be nothing that can stop you from being a successful artist. And that is one more very important quality that all successful artists have, that they show up. They consistently show up no matter what. And the third very important, and I think the very most important, and especially applies to artists, is successful artists are not bothered about what others say. This is very important because as an artist, there'll be so many people who will doubt you, who will question you, who will just not understand what you are doing, why you are doing, who will just not understand that this can also be your profession, your job. This calling can do amazing things for your life as well. And there'll be a lot of people who won't even believe in you, maybe laugh on your face. But to be a successful artist, you have to ignore all that. You just have to push all those things away and look at the bigger picture. Look at where you want to be, look at your goals, look at what you really want to do yourself. And the biggest of all, just stand for yourself, stand by what you want to be and what you want to do. Because unless you don't stand for yourself, you will not fight for yourself. And unless you don't fight for yourself, you can never be successful in anything, right? Because to reach a certain level, to reach a certain position, you have to have that fire and that fight inside you. So yes, these were the 3 amazing qualities that I think all successful artists have. Is they are eager to learn, they regularly push themselves and be consistent, and the third thing is they're not bothered about what others are saying. Which quality do you think is the most important? Let me know in the comment section below. The best comment, I will share it on my Instagram. And if you're not following me on my Instagram yet, then do check out at Artyshils. Also, if there is any certain topic that you would like me to talk about, or if you have any questions that I can talk about in Art Talks with Artyshils, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to take that up and help you out if I can. Also, if you would like to learn how to paint my kind of paintings, then do check out my online academy at www.artyshilsartacademy.com, where I share with you various very in-depth workshops. And while you are working on those workshops, you are never alone, as I'm always there to help you out, answer your questions and guide you along the way. And to check out the amazing brushes that I am using for painting this painting, you can visit www.artyshils.com. So with that being said, I would like to take your leave over here, but before I go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit that bell icon so that you can never miss any new video coming up on this channel. And if you would like to support the work that I do and this channel, then do share this video with your friends, loved ones on social media, Instagram stories or WhatsApp, wherever you prefer. So I would like to take your leave over here. Till I see you next time. Bye and happy creating. Bye.